Good evening, this is Prepared Medic 1604 coming to you from the Man Cave. Today we will be going over my minimalist survival kit. To begin with, we'll go over my EDC. It's a Taurus 709 Slim. A spare mag loaded with 147 grain hollow points by Hornady. I have an ink pen, just a Pilot G2 ink pen. I keep that in my front pocket. And then my Maxpedition minimalist wallet with my ID and my military ID in there. I don't carry cash, and I typically don't have a debit card with me because my wife holds on to that, and I'm always in very close proximity to my wife. But I use a Camelback system from the Army with a compass pouch, and I have a seatbelt cutter. The bladder is 100 ounces. Inside, I have a very cheap fire steel off of Temu. It's reminiscent to the Exotech fire steel. It's got you unscrew it and you can replace the ferro rod. And then it has an aluminum housing for tinder to go into in the top, and I don't keep any tinder in there. I could keep some, Benadryl or Motrin or something in there to help. The seatbelt cutter, I can use that as a striker for the ferro rod. I can also cut seat belts with it, and then it has a bottle cap opener on it, which I'm not sure why. And then it just carabiners to the container. And then in the compass pouch is an Altoids tin with electrical tape on the outside. There's a sewing needle right there. I have a cheap lighter that has the adjustable flame on it, so I can go from a high flame to a basically flint striker. I have some fishing string that I also can use as sewing thread. I have another small ferro rod, pure fire steel, a Swiss Army knife that has the screwdriver on it, and it has an awl and two main blades in the can opener and the bottle cap opener and the wire stripper. Two Aquamera portable agua tablets, a small sachet that has fishing hooks and weights in it. And then I have a dual function, if I can get it out of the tin. It is a sharpening stone, and on the back it functions as a signal mirror. That is it for today's video. The next one I have will go into more detail about my larger bug out bag kit now that winter and fall are coming upon us. Thank you guys for everything that you do for the channel, and have a good day. It's been Prepared Medic 1604. Thank you.